Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how you can disassemble the rear sofa of Mercedes. For this, there's a hook here under the bottom of the sofa until it's visible. But when I completely disassemble the sofa, I will correctly show how it looks. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. So here is the same hook. It's on the both sides of the sofa. And it's held here in this spot. When we press on it, it unfastens. Now friends, to disassemble the backrest, we need to unscrew the backrest mounting bolt at the bottom. This is a bolt, is also found on the other part of the sofa. Here is the bolt we unscrew it. Now we need to unscrew the same bolt on the other side of the sofa. Friends, the sofa from the top rests on such metal mounts. They are also in turn to hold onto such special holes. That's all guys, now we put everything in reverse order. Put like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.